guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. So today I will be blowing or just apply a little bit of hair relaxer on my hair. It's not too strong, but I want to style it. Then I said let me retouch it. I'm not going to color it because I know now if I retouch hair and dye it, if I want to retouch again, it will cut. So this one is just to apply lazy. I'm not going to leave it too long, so I will just wash it maybe after 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, this is the hair. No more natural hair. Then what I'm going to be used to style it is olive oil, hold and jam, styling moon. So then I will start. Why I don't want to use gel? Because I don't want, if after dry it will get strong, it will get more hard, so I don't need that. If you use styling moon, it will be more soft when it's dry. It's not going to scatter until you scatter it. But so I'm going to put part.
Conversation changes and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off.
guys, I'm back. I'm done with my makeup. Here is the final look, and here is the back side. And if you have not yet subscribed, please just hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. Bye.